Alright, real talk. So whether it's finding a specific video that was way down in your memory that takes you down memory lane when you were young, or shopping smartly online, it's a total hassle. Endless scrolling, a bunch of tabs open, and no idea whether we are actually moving in the correct direction. Now imagine if you have an AI sidekick or an AI person or a virtual person that's actually able to perform all these tasks while taking control of the browser. So here I'm going to introduce Perplexity Comet. So let's go to YouTube, and suppose I want to find a specific video, so I'm just going to type it in, or I'm going to basically search for it. Find the exact moment where Brett Lee balls about to Unmuk Chand in the IPO and he is bold. So I've searched for it, so this was a memory that I associate with the IPL, so I basically searched for it, and now what it's going to do, it's basically going to find that exact video and take me to the moment that I have mentioned. So here we go, it's doing some research, and here we go. So basically, it's basically found it. Now I can just tell it to open that YouTube video. I didn't instruct it to open it before. Now here we go, it's opening it, and voila. Here comes the YouTube video that I was talking about. Here we go. And here comes Brett Lee. Wellington Mukchand, and it's gonna knock his stump over. Boom.